All the protocols observed. Good morning. Inclusive team. That means it has athletes with intellectual disabilities and those without any disability. And we know that sports has a very powerful message and it helps us achieve life. I remember when we were presenting our proposal to the ministry, there was a lot of question that for any 4 athletes we require 1 coach, so that we are able to give personalized attention, have a larger team of officials, because they require extra support in what they are doing. And this team was selected, and it was, I will explain when it was selected, families and adopted new families, and they've been working with these athletes. And those, we have 8 silver medals and 7 bronze medals. This team, every individual has a medal. That has made this team be successful as it is, the ballet. She motivated the team beyond they are right now, because their brains take time to learn a skill. Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity. As I conclude, support this team, I also want to recognize a special group to serve, to give their resources and even their time and expertise to serve like just Zambia Sports Federation. So thank you very much, Mr. Thu and your team, for your leadership. That's why we have, and having the narrative of them versus us, that is inclusive. If we can just put aside our like Zilani said, join us into Special Olympics.
Thank you so much.
In the history of Special Olympics, I cannot recall ever such hype. My fellow board members, athletes and coaches, we do not take this support for granted. Her Excellency, the beautiful lady on your right, I would also like to recognize the Kenya medical nurses who are now trained and are well versed with working with our team of athletes. As without your help and that of your team, these guys would not have been able to travel. Approach. You have ended up with the national county games, and that is how we've been able to, and our federations, has the requisite capacity to go to all the 47 counties, money pay for those who cannot afford. I do not know how they do it. Possibly Chairman Manoj Shah will tell us how they do it. But if me and you, we are able to invite other donors to join in to make